This video started as a road trip going down the Pacific Coast Highway from Long Beach to Newport Beach, but it got too long, so I've cut it down into several shorter videos. The Coast Highway is too far inland through Long Beach, so we're approaching Long Beach right now on Shoreline Drive, and we'll meet up the Coast Highway later on. The first thing that we come to as we near downtown Long Beach is the Golden Shore RV Park. This is something you'll want to know about if you're traveling by RV and you plan on staying in Long Beach for a few days. It's close to the water and all the attractions in Long Beach, so it's the perfect place to stay. See the links in the text below for information on how to find the places that we talk about. The next thing we come to is where you would catch the Catalina Express to go to Catalina Island. If you're staying in the area for a few days, it's definitely something you want to put on your to-do list. A little bit farther down Shoreline Drive is a wealth of places to check out. Off to the right we have the Aquarium of the Pacific. Just to the right of this walkover bridge is Shoreline Aquatic Park. This is a great place to stroll around the marina, take in the views, check out the Lions Lighthouse, and just enjoy the open space. Or you can stroll in the opposite direction to the picturesque Shoreline Village. You'll also find the Queen Mary here, where you can take tours, stay overnight in the hotel, and also you might want to check out our article in Totally LA about the Queen Mary being haunted. If you want to see more about Shoreline Aquatic Park, see our earlier video about this area. There's a link to it in the text below. The walkway that we're passing under right now is one of two that takes you to the left side of Shoreline Drive. Here you'll find the Pike Outlets Mall and Long Beach Convention Center. And this whole area of Long Beach over here is full of cool theaters, shops, restaurants, bars, and just fun things to do. On our left here is the modern and upscale downtown Long Beach. There's lots of luxury hotels, condos, entertainment complexes. The waterfront is still on the right, but it's occupied along here by the Shoreline Yacht Club, so it's not really accessible to the general public. turning off the shoreline and onto Ocean Drive, the first thing that we come to is Alamitos Beach. And you can't really see it from the road, but it's just beyond the apartments and houses. The islands that look like they have resort hotels on them are actually called the Astronaut Islands. These are actually man-made islands for oil drilling. They've been landscaped to protect the view and the environment. There's actually 4 of them. Their names are Island White, Island Grissom, Island Freeman, and Island Chaffee. The one you're seeing in the pet-in footage is Island White. There are beaches all along here and plenty of places to pull over and park. Right here as we round the curve and you can see the ocean again, we're at a beach called Long Beach City Beach. There's a walkway and a bike path on the street level with stairways going down to the beach. And just in the distance there you can see the Belmont Veterans Memorial Pier. There's street parking again here and also a parking lot if you want to go out on the pier. The main attractions on the pier are fishing and awesome views of Long Beach. This concludes part 1 of our road trip. In part 2, we'll take you through the charming business district of Belmont Shore and to a beautiful island community called Naples. Then we'll meet up at the Pacific Coast Highway and continue our road trip.